Imagine starting a career as a professional security guard. An exciting job that's in constant demand, it offers opportunities for rapid advancement. Whether you're looking for your first job, just arrived to the country, or wanting extra income, all you need to become part of this rewarding career is a security guard license. Our goal is to help you maintain your license as quickly as possible, at a low cost and with minimal hassle. One Northwest Security Academy, Ontario leading training company, is your one-stop shop for all your security guard training needs. Our super affordable security training guard course is offered in class or online. If you prefer learning in a classroom, join us in class for 4 days of security guard training and 1 day of emergency first aid and CPR. Successful candidates will receive a testing completion number, TCN, a training certificate, and emergency first aid CPR Level C certification to book the ministry exam. For our online training, you can access the program from any location at any time. Whenever you need our help, our experienced team of trainers are on standby, ready to assist you by email. You can complete it at your own pace from the comfort of your own home. We are committed to your success, so we allow you to retake the course as many times as you need to feel comfortable for your exam. For those who complete their online training, One Northwest Security is a proud training partner with the Canadian Red Cross and offers emergency first aid and standard first aid training in class. Once you pass your exam, we will do our best to offer jobs when we can as an incentive for taking our course. So what are you waiting for? Join the rest who have used One Northwest Security Services to springboard into a rewarding career as a security guard professional. Register for your security guard training today.